While creating a new node, we want the Django to ask the user if that user has registered or not. Let's see how we can create that one. So what we can do here is we can get to our code and we can go to views.py, and from there we can go to this create node view, which is over here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this thing here. So instead of this, we're going to say def form underscore valid. So it's going to check all the validation stuff. So we'll say self, and then we're going to say form. Okay, so here it's going to say self dot object is equals to form dot save, then say commit is false. Okay, then we're going to say self dot object okay, and it's going to look for the user here. So I'll say user is equals to self dot request dot user. Okay, so we're going to say self dot object dot save, and then we're going to say return http response redirect. Okay, we're going to say self dot get success URL. Okay, so I'll save that. So here the success URL is by going to the nodes.